Hello everyone, this is Rocket Trades and I provide breakout ideas for busy people who work full-time. So today's ticker is CNDT. It's a steady climber. Conduent Incorporated. They're a global tech solution provider to businesses and governments. And so my idea sees a 20% return off of Friday's close, which is 403, and I'm looking at 4.8 or 9 in the next couple of weeks. So my 4 reasons for thinking this will happen is 1, they just recently had a fantastic earnings report, and their earnings in the future look like they're improving substantially compared to the last 5 years. 2, the exponential moving average, the 50, is crossing the 200, and you can sort of see it inching up here, the blue coming up, and I believe will come and cross the brown 200. 3, the force index, which I have here, measures volume, and it measures on 57 dull setting. Really hasn't moved compared to the summer move here, where it saw it go from 2 to 4. I really think it's coiling and getting ready for another move up. And then the 4th is a Williams indicator. So I'm moving the chart down here. If you look down on the bottom, just measuring momentum. And although we had a little bit of a burst here, I think what we're doing is we're basically bouncing off of this 50-day moving average and making stair progress upwards. So that's what I think. Maybe I should go into the chart here. So let's see, today, I should probably mark it here. Today or Friday, the level is about here. And I see it going here. And you can see that compared to the period earlier on, 2020, we were in that level. We have some peaks here. And on Friday, it tried to go past 4.8. But there really wasn't any volume pickup. You can see here there's barely a movement. And there's 4 million shares, which is pretty good, as the daily average volume is around 2 million. But really, you need to see something like up here. This was close to 100 million shares. So that's what I'm seeing on the technical side. In terms of earnings and forward-looking future earnings, recently they had a deal with the Adelaide Transit System, installing a contactless payment system to handle Visa cards, MasterCard, and smartphones. And so facilitating fair payments on their tram system, and that's all great because it's added business, and it doubled their earnings report. And really all we saw was a 15% move, really, which isn't really a lot. This counter has been looked on poorly for the last 5 years. So if you actually go from this summer and draw a line back 5 years, you can see that it basically went in a downward move for about from $23. So that's huge. And I like that because basically all the sellers have exited, and as of this summer, it looks like it's a turnaround. Looks like it's breaking out. So maybe invest 2 to 3% of your portfolio. Don't go too wild. Entry around the 374 level, which is the 200 moving day average, and somewhere before 4, and then exit around the 485 level. That's my recommendation for today. Hope this was helpful. Talk to you soon. Quick disclaimer: safe trading requires good risk management. This is not a solicitation to buy or sell securities. I sometimes buy and sell the securities mentioned here in my account. Good luck trading.